is going on, everyone? Day 4, Wacky Mortgage Guy here. I want to thank everyone who subscribed. Mom, Jeannie, Dad, Tom, Worth, brother, Blair, girlfriend. You guys are awesome. If anyone else is liking these videos, please go ahead, click the link below. There should be a button to take you to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe. That'd be great. If not, just keep on scrolling. You don't want to watch these and educate yourself. That's fine too. So I want to touch briefly on DTI, something I posted earlier. What is DTI? And I had mentioned this in prior videos, just kind of assuming everyone knew what it was. They don't. I should have known that. That's why I'm doing these things, right? So DTI, debt to income. That's what that stands for. Your debt, money going out the door versus money coming in the door, your income. And that is the number that 99.99% of mortgage companies are going to use to qualify you for a mortgage. What's the cutoff? That's a great question. It just depends. We're not going to go there, but I do want to touch on what's included in debt and what's included in income. So to start, debt. What are those? Your fixed payments each month. In prior videos, I talked about things like your car. Getting screwed by student loans. That's going to be on there. If you have a lien against you for whatever reason, that's also going to be on there. Things like that. Credit card debt. Anything going out that you have to pay per month that isn't a choice. Money you owe. That is going to be fixed. Okay, money that's not going to appear as debts on your mortgage application are things like, even though I said car payment, your car insurance isn't going to be included. What else isn't going to be included? Things like electricity. If you're watching Netflix to 2 a.m. in the morning. If you're on HBO till 2 a.m. in the morning. If you're, any of those commodities that we all love, those aren't going to be included. So it's important to be honest with yourself, what you like to do. Weekend activities, there's another thing. What you like to do, make sure those things are accounted for in your own book. Do those calculations on your own, okay? Because those aren't going to appear on the mortgage application. And then you're going to be left scratching your head wondering, hey, I applied for this mortgage. My DTI was at 43. They said I qualified. But now it feels like I don't have any money left over. That's because they didn't account for those things. So be careful. Make sure you write that down. We're going to move on to income, okay? And income is kind of self-explanatory, but there are a few different ways that you can qualify based off income. I have seen in my own experience 401k retirement accounts being used to qualify people to purchase or refinance a home. Now, when you're refinancing, that's okay. If you're purchasing, we're not going to go there. Maybe another video, all right? But that is not something you want to use. What you want to use is either if you are in sales, an independent contractor, own your own business, it's going to be a 1099. Or if you're not and you just make wages and salaries, that's going to be your typical W-2. So those are the things that mortgage companies are going to go off of. Now, say you own your own business and you write a lot of stuff off on your taxes. And you say, hey, guess what? I make $100,000 a year at my business. Mortgage company is going to take your application to a loan officer, and they're going to say, sir, you actually make $30,000 a year. And you're going to be like, what the hell is going on? And they're going to tell you, well, you write off $70,000 of expenses for your company a year. Okay, it's what you report to the government. A lot of laws and stipulations have been, regulations, stipulations, laws, all those things have been put in place after 2008 to make sure people are doing the right thing. It can hurt, but it's also there for a good reason. We'll see if that changes in the future. I think it will, but for now, know that. All right? If you guys are liking these videos, please repost them. Go ahead to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. There's a link below. Much love. Y'all stay safe.